This is cabin 9282 on the Ovation of the Seas. It is an ocean view balcony room. When you walk in, you do have your room controls. And then on the left-hand side has your full-length mirror. Your restroom area will be over here. You have your shower with your 2-in-1 hair wash, body wash. It does not have a clothesline, but it does have a little ledge for you to put your foot up to shave your legs. It does have storage on the sides, your full-length mirror, storage below. When you come out, you have your one of the closet areas here. You have your full-length closet. Next to the bed, they do have an outlet, and it has your light switch that controls all the lights in the room, so you don't have to get out of bed. It does have a nightstand next to it. It does overhead. It has more storage up here, which is new to me. I'm not used to seeing that, so that's actually really cool. You have your TV. On this side, you have another nightstand. However, there is not an outlet on this side. You have another closet area here. This does contain your safe. It's a pretty good size safe. It does have your storage below too, some good sized drawers. You do have your full sofa. On this side is your desk area. You do have your regular outlets and 2 USB ports. On this side, you do have your drawer area with your hair dryer, and it has your cooler in here. And then this will contain your room service menus, some tissues, and then these are empty drawers. Your balcony out here contains 2 chairs and a side table. It does not have an ottoman. When you look out, the lifeboats are right below you, so that will be your view if you're looking straight down. This is cabin 9282 on Ovation of the Seas.